Saya di sini Cedric dan teman saya Leon dan kita dari tim Zio. Hari ini kita ada field trip yang kita jalan-jalan ke sini. Selamat datang di Animalium Animal Science Center. Di sini kita mungkin akan belajar tentang binatang-binatang yang kita mungkin tahu dan tidak tahu. Oke guys, kita dapat buku masing-masing ada bukunya nih dari merekanya. Mungkin ada ada fosil-fosil ya, ada produk juga nih. Masih ada banyak lah. Let's have fun.
This is Velociraptoridae, also known as the terror birds. They were meat-eating predators. They were also the dominant predators during Cenozoic era, and now they were all extinct.
Here we have blue jambuk, or also known as bear eagle owl. They are distributed in the countries like Brunei, Darussalam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Myanmar, Thailand, and much more. Their diet are usually small birds, mice, frog, lizards, small crabs, and even bats. Their habitats are in forests, in cities, or in plantations.
This is a gray heron. Being a large bird with powerful beak, gray herons have few predators when they were young, like white-tailed eagles, golden eagles, and more rarely, Eurasian goshawks will take them as a prey. Their diet consists of lots of fish, and also small birds such as ducklings, small mammals like voles, and amphibians.
Next, we have a great egret. Coyote, red-tailed hawks, and other hawks preys on egret. Eggs and nestling have numerous predators including crows, vulture, and raccoon. Same like gray herons, their main meal are fishes, but they will eat frog, snake, amphibians, grasshopper, aquatic insects, small rodent, and mammals.
This is the giant carpet anemone. It is a species of sea anemone that lives in the Indo-Pacific area. It is a carnivore, which uses its nematosis to capture prey like urchins, snails, crabs, shrimps, as well as small fishes. It also derives nutrition from zooxanthellae that dwells within their tissues. They also absorb nutrients from the wastes produced by the symbiotic clownfish. Holothuria leucospilota, or commonly known as the Black Sea cucumber, is a species of marine invertebrate in the family Holothuridae. Crabs, fish, turtles, and some sharks are natural predators of sea cucumbers. They have also been used as food and traditional medicine in Asian countries for a long time. To protect themselves, some sea cucumbers can shoot sticky threads from their bodies to entangle and confuse predators. Anyone on warfarin or other blood-thinning medications should avoid eating large amounts of sea cucumber. Holothuria leucospilota is also a source of raw materials for developing marine anti-cancer drugs. They eat organic debris, planktons, and small organisms.
Diadema antillarum, also known as black sea urchin, is a species of sea urchin in the family of Diadematidae. Diadema mostly eat algae, seagrass, and sometimes other marine invertebrates. They are preyed upon by many fish and other animals like queen triggerfish, Caribbean spiny lobsters, Caribbean helmets, toadfish, porcupine fish, grunts, gastropods.
Salus serrata is an ecologically important species of crab found in the estuaries and mangroves of Africa, Australia, and Asia. Turtles, rays, crocodiles, and large fish, such as barramundi and sharks, preys on adult mud crabs. They are an omnivore that eats crustacean mollusks, fish, plant matter, and detritus.
Pennilirus romaris is a species of spiny lobster that live along the coast of the Indian and Pacific Ocean. It lives in the shallow water. Mollusks, crustacean, algae, detritus are their main food. Cape clawless otter is a predator of Pennilirus romaris.
Butterflies are winged insects, characterized by large, often brightly colored wings that often fall together when at rest, and a conspicuous fluttering flight. Because of their straw-like mouthparts, butterflies are mainly restricted to a liquid diet, usually slipping nectar. Some also sip on fermenting fruit, decaying animal feces, wet mud, and sap from damaged trees. Butterfly larvae feed exclusively on plants. They will feed on leaves, but some will feed on other plant parts like seeds or flowers. Butterflies are prey to a number of predators, which includes birds, spiders, reptiles, such as lizards and snakes, small mammals such as rats and rodents, and even other insects. Moths are insects with wings whose patterns and colors are formed by thousands of tiny scales overlapping like tiles on the roof. Adult moths tend to feed on nectar from flowers, fruit, or sap. Depending on the type, moth larvae can get attracted to grain products, nuts, spices, flour, leaves and plant matter, nectar, paper, dust, natural fibers, and even chocolate. Moths fall prey to birds, bats, lizards, skunks, small rodents, and even bears. Other insects including hornets and ants prey on moth caterpillars, and both spiders and beetles feed on moth pupae tucked away in their cocoon.
Lumbricus rubellus is a species of earthworm that is related to Lumbricus tertius. They eat mainly dead leaves on the soil floor and a horizon mineral soil. Bird frogs, centipedes, moths, and human are predator of earthworms.
Temodipsa pixa is a large terrestrial leech. Commonly known as the tiger leech, it is a terrestrial blood-feeding leech. Its diet consists primarily of the blood of mammals, including humans, pigs, monkeys, frogs, and birds. Fish, birds, snakes, amphibians, and to a lesser extent, insects and snails are predators of leeches. Temodipsa pixa are found in Borneo, Indochina, and Taiwan.
Hirudinaria javanica is a species of freshwater leech that is native to Southeast Asia, particularly the Java region. They are blood-sucking leech. Their predators include fish, birds, snakes, amphibians, sometimes small insects, and snails too.
Heterometrus longimanus is an agent for the scorpion. They eat live insects, spiders, crickets, locusts, mealworms, cockroaches, pinky mice, and sometimes small mammals.
Redback spider, also known as Australian black widows. They are a highly venomous spider believed to originate in Australia. It has also been found in packaging crates in the United States with colonies everywhere outside Australia. They eat almost any small insect that are caught in their webs. They will also eat skinks and even juvenile mice, snakes, and frog. Redback spiderling will also eat their sibling. Lady long-legged spiders and white-tailed spiders are known to catch and kill redback spiders.
Centipedes are predatory arthropods. They are elongated and segmented with one pair of legs per body segment. They have many legs and are also poisonous. Their diet consists of spiders, cockroaches, moths, crickets, earthworms, bedbugs, silverfish, and even other centipedes. Centipedes are prey to shrews, toads, badgers, and birds, including domestic chickens. Many larger animals also prey upon centipedes, such as mongooses, mice, salamanders, beetles, and some specialist snake species.